Hi guys, my name is Amy, and I have a 3-year-old son who attends Ecole360 in the preschool room. And I just wanted to share a little bit about our experiences with Ecole360. So, when choosing a childcare center, I was looking for an environment that would make my child feel safe and loved. The family feel of Ecole360 was apparent from my first tour. The staff made me feel comfortable, and I can tell, just watching all the interactions between staff and parents, that it wasn't just a job to them. The staff genuinely cares about the children and the families at the center, and the families truly appreciate and love seeing the staff at Ecole360 as well. Ecole360 really goes above and beyond to facilitate that family feel by offering multiple after-school events and activities for families. So since we've been there, I think we have done a Mother's Day activity. There's events for Father's Day, for Grandparents' Day. They do lots of different events for holidays throughout the year, and parents and families are always welcome. So I've joined events for Easter. I think they did an Easter egg hunt. They've done Halloween parades. They have Santa visits. So it's just really nice to be included in all of those things. Get to see your child's friends and their families and really feel like a family. Another thing I love about Ecole360 is their communication. They use a communication app, and they share everything from toileting, feeding, how long my child napped or didn't nap. And the best part of every day is the pictures. They share pictures of different activities or things that he's done throughout his day. And that also really helps to facilitate that conversation with my child after school when I know what he's done, and then I can help him to remember how to tell me. I also can't express how happy I am with the management at Ecole360. It's definitely not, again, that kind of corporate feel. It's very flexible. Meg is very flexible. She's open to feedback. She strives to make sure that every family and child is happy at her center, and she really understands that childcare is not a one-size-fits-all. If you ever have a concern or just want to discuss your child or really anything for that matter, Meg's door is always open, and she'll be the first to say that open communication between the center and families is key, and she really means it. So those are just some things that I love about Ecole360, and I hope that you come in and check it out.